Alrighty then, here we are at Noodle November. It's Noodle November, it's Noodle November. But of course, Kettle Kitchen had to give a twist to it. And we have to use twisted pasta. I am not a twisted pasta chick. I went through all my recipes. I don't use twisted pasta. You know, twirly pasta, rotini. I don't do that. But now I gotta do it. So the only thing I can imagine to make for Noodle November, okay, is pasta salad, which is hella good, okay, don't get me wrong. But I'm the kind of chick who always has a bag of not twisted pasta, knock things over, laying around. Because in my lifetime, I used to make too little rice, too little pasta. So now I'll take a 16-ounce box of pasta and pour in half of it, and then I'll go, oh, that's not enough. So I always have extra pasta, but mine ain't twisted. But what we're gonna do is do twisted pasta salad. So the pasta is a twist, okay? So that's what we're doing because Kettle Kitchen has to make things hard for me. It's like his job. But here we go. It'll still be delicious, and Vern loves this. So what this is some broccoli, some lima beans, and some watercress from a recipe Vern had made that we had left over. So we're gonna give that a whirl in it. Can't hurt. It's just, it's a pasta salad, okay? Nothing hurts that you put in there. So let's get to getting, chopping some red onion, slicing our cherry tomatoes, our red and yellow bell peppers, okay? We've already got this pre-cut. And this is our favorite dressing. It's better than any I have ever made. I know, shocker. This thing is $5. $5. Ain't never go on sale. Okay, so Vern broke down and agreed to buy me one. So I have one. So this will be our dressing because it's all that and so good. Yep. Did God not make beautiful, beautiful things? My goodness. So this is going in my stock bag as usual. Pretty colors. So pretty. Oh, let's not do that one. Let's go for the red. Okay, so I'm going to carry on. This one has thick. So I cut those out. They're rather bitter. I don't like them. So I chunk them. Do your thing. Do what you like. Alrighty, so we started incorporating to our very loose and not hot pasta. We started with our carrot sticks. We've put salt and pepper in it. We've added some of our purple onions, which should be fabulous, but I don't want to overwhelm it. I ain't making no onion salad, okay? But a little purple onion is a pretty beautiful thing. Let's try some of our black olives. Jeez and Pete's, look at the colors. Well, Kettle Kitchen, maybe twisted pasta wasn't such a bad idea. Twisted Noodle November. I'll probably need, I'm gonna get some red peppers. I'm gonna need some more black peppers. Black peppers, black olives, jeez and Pete's. I'll be all right. But I have more from that can, so that is not difficult to do. Wowzer. Some of our beautiful cherry tomatoes. These are super flavorful. All right, now let's get in our weird leftover things, because I like raw broccoli in a pasta salad. But the broccoli heads that have been in the store be ugly. So I wasn't having it, so I thought, shoot, we got some left over. Let's just do that. Alrighty, we've got some of our dressing in. Of course, you can make your own. Use anything you want. We like this one. This is our jam. And this will, of course, be much, much better once it is refrigerated and that dressing has been able to work its way around. About every hour, I will open the refrigerator and stir this. It's so not hard. It's Twisted Noodle November. Huh. Good idea, Tony. I said that out loud. Yes, I did. Alrighty, here is our beautiful, colorful pasta salad. And this will go in the refrigerator about every hour. I'll stir it up. And I'm not gonna oversaturate it with the Northern Italian basil and Romano dressing. If I find that it's dry, then I might add a small amount to it. But I do not want a dripping wet pasta salad. This is a beautiful thing. So I put all of the cherry tomatoes in there because they were too pretty not to. And because I had them, I could. So the only odd thing in here is Vern's water chestnuts and some lima beans from his leftover stir fry. So, there we go. Noodle November, Twisted Noodle November by the Kettle Kitchen channel. And if you have not subbed to Tony of the Kettle Kitchen channel, you ain't right. Because that man can cook. And he is a fabulous videographer too. So, have a wonderful Twisted Noodle November. Yep.